Igwe, how can you have a son, yet you are entrusting a contract this big to your ordinary Prime Minister?
I am not having this conversation.
You are! Igwe Dikeh, the fourth of Ndi Anyoma Kingdom. You are having this conversation. Honor is supposed to be your advisor, but somehow he makes the rules and execute them. My king. Is Nollywood the king? Is it Nollywood that got married to me, your
Don't provoke me further!
Sorry, Your Highness. I just want to know if...
Come on, get out! Out!
Nonsense! Igwe, my son will come back and take over that contract and the entire affairs of this kingdom, and that is final.
Please help me.
I'm sure you're not blind. She needs our help. I want to help her.
Help me.
You won't dare.
What kind of friend are you? You cannot even stand up for your friends. What is wrong with you?
Please, no way you both are unnecessarily wicked for no reason.
Please help me.
This woman is a witch, and all she's seen now are what she deserves. If you dare, Adake, raise this woman up. I and Dikeh will beat you up.
You not only
mercilessly.
After dealing with you, not even recognize your face again.
So we'll do nothing. We'll just stand here.
How can we do nothing? No, we will do something now. Hey! Wait, come and see witch. You come and see witch. She has fallen, finally. Wait, yeah. So, yeah. Mama. Sorry, Mama. Help me with her leg.
It's bending. My leg is bending. No, my leg is bending. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Mama, sorry.
Thank you.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you.
It's okay. Mama, sorry.
What is the meaning of this rubbish?
What rubbish are you talking about? Are we the one that pushed her down?
Exactly.
Are we?
This woman here is a witch who gave birth to her fellow witch. And you, very soon your own wrongs will catch up with you. Who knows, yours might even be blindness or
even death.
God forbid! You both should just stop already. What has this poor woman done to you people to deserve this extent of cruelty?
Just wait.
It's enough that you people refuse to help my mother. But sprinkling salt in an already open wound is much more than I can bear. I've heard of all the wrongdoings you have meted out on my mother. And I've been storing this hatred inside of me. And it's time I unleash that hatred on you both.
You're just coming back.
Mama,
Ignore them.
I have ignored them enough. No more. No, I won't take it this time.
Amanda,
this is too much.
Amanda, you will do nothing. You can do nothing.
Amanda can do nothing.
You can do nothing.
Mama, this girl for what? Mama,
Amanda,
too much. I cannot take it anymore. This is too much. For what now?
Please, just calm down.
It's okay.
Amanda,
It's okay.
we're just coming back.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. Adako, thank you so much. Thank you. Please just go with the bike to Our house. Okay, okay, please just take her to our house. She'll show you our compound. I'll give you the money when I get there. I'll win my mother home. Take this. I think it's fell off.
I need to go and take.
Mama, when you allow evil, it keeps happening.
You will kill somebody. You will become mad.
Mama, they are lucky. They are so lucky.
I need to take my
I didn't know I would meet them on the way. I would have killed somebody today.
They say that when you read a smash together, it forms. Our son, we all know, Kingsley, who traveled overseas so many years back. And we thank the gods of this land for granting him safe journey. By coming home, he came to me and has promised that he wants to start doing major projects like building of boreholes, building of schools, hospitals, and human infrastructure. And I said, this is something good. It's something that all of us need to, have with our arms open, isn't it?
It is very good. I'm going to say it's not good. It's good. It's a welcome idea.
My king.
Yes.
Our great king. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. At least, this is the best news I ever had in recent times in this kingdom. Hey! May the gods of this land bless him. Multiply him. Follow him.
Hey, my people, I greet you all. You see, this great kingdom deserves the kind of development he promised.
Exactly.
And if something like this happens, it will bring a positive turnaround to the people of India.
That is very, very true. Your Majesty, Your Majesty, the gods has finally heard our cry by sending a helper to us, our own son, to come and develop this village for us.
Iwe, I bet to dissent.
Huh?
Yes. Even if I am the only voice, only dissenting voice, I must be heard. This is not right.
Huh?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no, what do you mean? Did you actually understand what the king said?
Ever before your father married your mother, I have passed my passences. You asking me if I understand what the king is saying?
Yes. Did you understand it?
Now will you shut up? Shut your mouth. I don't know what you are saying. How dare you? See, it is people like you. Simply because Kingsley came back from overseas with dollars. Maybe he has given you a pittance and you are jumping up for him.
Hey.
Listen, no, listen. Iwe, this is very, very suspicious. How can Kingsley come back from overseas, little boy like him, all of a sudden, he is developing town road and putting electricity? No, it is suspicious. If you have spiritual eyes, you will understand that this is a Greek gift. Oh yes.
Oh no.
What can you Amusu?
Yes.
No, it's like you're a witch in this kingdom.
Yes. Oh yeah. Kobo.
If you understand what I'm saying, if you understand what I am saying, you will understand that this is not ordinary.
No, is right.
My king.
This meeting is over. I want to have a private word.
No, forget the Kunu. You don't know that Kingsley is contesting his throne. Yes, he is planning to take over it from Igwe.
Igwe.
Hi.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Hi.
Oh no.
Hi.
So what? This Kingsley is suspicious. He is eyeing your throne. That's why.
believe that the king will give a thought to what Ono said. Talk more of believing him.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this, my elders. A boy came down to this village to use his own money to better this kingdom. The king said no because of Olu's instructions. Hi, Mbano.
In the check. Hey, my fellow elder.
Mbano.
See, what I am saying, this king, why will he consider Ono's voice as law in this our village? It's like Ono who has tied the king to his fingers. And this is not good. It is sickening. It is sickening. Why? This village, we want to move forward. But because of Ono, no. What is it? I can't just believe this. The
pigeon will come to us. The pigeon will come to us. Let's be going.
This kingdom must work. We have many enemies, but it must work. It has been my prayer. All through the night, I was praying for this. Your Majesty. Greetings.
Hello, greetings to you. Greetings, my king. Greetings, Uno.
Oh, the most beautiful maiden of the Anoma kingdom.
I can see you are set for the meeting.
Yes, I'm already running late. In fact, the chairlady of Umada has been buzzing my phone.
I see.
Yes.
Sorry, if I may hear you well. You say you are stepping out of this palace for a meeting elsewhere?
Yes.
But it is never done now. For crying out loud, this is a palace. Let that meeting hold in this palace. Tell them to come here. It is not possible. It's not done.
The queen is right.
Yes. I opted to join the Omada. Yes, oh no. I am not the uptight queen who sits on high horse and refer to other commoners as nothing. I have decided to go there to grace their meeting and to encourage them for the good works they are doing.
Oh, Your Majesty, no. You see, this meeting, how can a queen sit with commoners? Just sit with commoners over nothing. It is wrong. Let that meeting be here. The river does not flow backwards.
Yes, Ono is right. If you must attend that meeting, they have to change the venue to the palace, so you are going nowhere. All right?
My king, but this wasn't the plan.
I have spoken on this. Go back to your chamber. Women with a few man. I have to keep with those young her.
He will try to make her see reason.
My king, what was the meaning of that?
Meaning of what? You know who was right after all.
I can take Onowu interfere in the matters of this kingdom, but I will not have him interfere in the matters that concern I and my household. I can't even believe you bought the idea when you were the same person who advised me to join the Omada to go and grace their meeting.
Oh, enough of this, woman! Enough of it! I'm asking you, what is that supposed to mean? It's just you and I in this room. Who are you searching for?
I am searching for my husband. The man I got married to. The man that makes a word and stand by it. Obviously, this man before me, who swings like a peddler, is not the same man I got married to. Who listens to the Prime Minister, whatever he says. It is not the same man I got married to. It's not with the king.
Ajamade, ibiago kwilu aza, nke mere ji oyi ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ajọ onye ịbịagokwa ịlụ ọzọ nke mere ji oyi ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ ekpere mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi alele mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi ekpere mmadụ a na-emekwa gị n'obi
Yes, I have to be very fast. Listen, the queen is becoming a barrier to our plans. So if you ask me, it is time to take the obstacle out. Yes. Okay, it's fine. Anything, just let me know.
Snake in green grass, evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave.
Rogo twin with Siri Boy Report Webio. Da!
Kosisi. The great old Kosisi. Nothing stops a river from flowing. Anything that does is swept away like a shaft before a mighty tornado. A child that has been beaten by a venomous snake fears any hanging rope or the rag. Anywhere. Okosisi, I bow and tremble.
A bird that perches on a ant hill thinks that it is comfortable at where it is and above all dangers. Not until the ants attack it is failure. Take this. Drop it bit by bit. The cockroach that graze the gathering of the chickens won't live to tell the story of what transpires.
Very much. Thank you. It will mean it.
Mother, why is your face like this? What's the problem? What is wrong? Is everything all right over there?
Mother, that is not possible. It is obvious that you're taking this too far. I mean, the Prime Minister is the personal advisor to the king. If he brings a good idea and my father buys it, I don't see a problem with that. Mother, I'm coming back soon, okay? I just have some few business to run here, and once I'm done, I'll come back to Nigeria. I know you miss me, and I miss you too, Mom, and I can't wait to see you. Alright, Mom. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye.
Greetings, Chief Maiden of this great palace. Please, how may I help you?
From today, there will be a slight change as regards to how food will be served in this palace. I'll do the serving, and you will only help out when I ask you to.
But I think it's my job to serve the royal home.
I just made a law, and if you disobey me, you will have the whole royal family to contend with. Dish the food
Leave it here. I will serve it myself.
What was Chinelo telling you about?
My dear, she said that henceforth she'll be the one serving the royal home.
What's that girl up to?
I don't know.
I thought you were sleeping.
No, Mama. I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking.
Thinking? About what?
Mama, I'm a graduate. I studied medicine. I've done my clinicals and I've also served my country. But there's no job. I just feel like I'm confined to this village. There's no... What do I do, Mama? There's no hospital here to even work. The only hospital that is even manageable is far off from this place. Mama, I do not want to be far from you.
My dear.
Mama.
I'll be fine. Okay? You know, I was even doing well in my business while you were in school. See, remember you once told me of your dream of building a hospital in this village when you are done with your studies. Please don't give up. You know, don't. Okay, see what will happen. Why not join me in my own business? For now. And then till when you come up with something better to do. What? You know,
Yes, Mama.
Let's be managing my own business for now. Oh? God will make a way for you.
Snake in the green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me?
Go to the store and get the stainless tray for me.
They are here to destroy and kill. I'm wearing family. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free.
But why was it not the royal chef that served this food? Because I asked her not to. I wanted to serve you myself. You know I derive so much joy serving you, my queen.
Well, you're just like your father who always have the interests of the kingdom at heart. Well, you're not aware that I'm allergic to citric acid. You just serve those orange juice. I'm not a fan of it.
The juice is for the queen.
Oh, really?
Yes. Water is just perfect for you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. You may leave.
This is good.
Yes.
This is the perfect way. I don't like a lot of spices. This is natural.
I know you will love it.
Yes, I know. Oh, they didn't tell you? The palace cannot function without me. I am in charge. Yes.
Nine. I have one question to ask you. What are you and our daughter, Chinelu, planning against the royal home?
Please, let me call you back. And what is your business in whatever I'm planning with Chinelo? What business of yours is it? Okay, let me answer you. No, let me answer you. That we choose not to involve you, doesn't that tell you that you are not important? That we don't need you in the matter?
Okay, let me tell you, whatever you both are planning will never work. The royal home has been extremely good to us. And to pay them back, you are planning evil against them? Ha! Nine. Wepa and Joe. You evil man! Change from your evil ways.
Thank God you know that I'm evil. Yes, thank God you call me evil man. You know that I'm evil, though it has not been proven. Anyway, let me tell you, if you don't keep your tongue in check, you lose your head. And the rest of your body will be useless to you.
Hey, God forbid.
Says who?
No evil fashion against me shall prosper.
Says who? That is why you go about and the daddy Gio will be deceiving you that no evil fashion against. Let us wait when evil will fashion against you. Let us see how evil will stand. Nonsense.
Evil man, change from your evil ways. Before you and your fellow evil people will
Let me get you.
Remove your hand from evil. Evil man, change your ways. Change your ways.
Hey, yes. As I was saying, nothing goes on in that palace without my input. Sorry, don't mind about my tone. It was a family pressure. Yes. Ademma.
Snake in green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me? In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nani they are here to destroy and kill our family. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free.
What do you want from me? Prince Jidenna of India and Yoma Kingdom. The eagle have finally landed, not to catch a prey or kill it, but to defend it from the claws of its predators.
Who are you? I remember the Ezemo of my kingdom.
The sincerity and allegiance and spirituality of India and Yoma Kingdom has been compromised, and it sent forth blindness to you. But I neutralized it before it could go to you. You need to act blind until the prophecy is completed, and your parents should not know about this. Until then, you will know.
I want to buy charcoal.
Okay. Charcoal Egone, how much on?
200 naira.
Okay. There is no charcoal 200. Charcoal is very, very expensive. Huh? There's no charcoal 200, but let me see what I can do for you. Who will help me? Huh?
I'm coming.
Help me. Oh, let me find. Huh? Oh, no. Help me. Oh, help.
The wind has fallen. No, the wind has fallen. The wind has fallen. It is a man, not okay.
How many times have I warned you to stop causing harm to my mother? By the time I am done with you, you realize that this one you're treating like a piece of trash is the reason why I exist.
You cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything.
You do not win.
You and Amanda cannot do anything.
Yes. You do not in Amanda. Do your voice.
Igwe! Igwe! Hey! I am happy about this news. This is the best thing that will ever happen to India Noma. Yes. Igwe, as it is now, our youth will have a well-paid job.
You can say that again. Your Highness, this is what we have been waiting for. And this awaited company will bring development in this our kingdom. May the God of our land be praised. He says, at least our youth we see a place to work and earn big money.
Igwe, I am thinking that we...
Oh no, wait. I don't think you should contribute in a matter like this. Yes! Don't contribute in a matter like this because this is exactly the same thing you did when Kingsley was trying to do something like this and you spoiled everything with your presumptions.
Yes! You spoiled everything with your primitive mind. Put it negative instead of it to be positive about it.
Hey, shut up!
Says who?
Oh no.
Says me. Listen, this is gathering of men. And when men are talking, women will just sit, listen and be entertained. That's all. Before I was rudely interrupted by these loafers. I am just suggesting you give me power to represent you in this matter. You know, having been so good at land matters.
Oh no!
Keep quiet.
Listen to me. This is the last time I will sit here and I will see you brush my nose off. I am going to let Ono spearhead everything as far as these contracts are concerned.
But my king,
Why I have spoken, I'm still the king.
Hey! Hey! Obago! Hey! Obago!
I have spoken of this matter.
Igwe, how can you have a son, yet you are entrusting a contract this big to your ordinary prime minister?
I am not having this conversation.
You are! Igwe Dikeh, the fourth of Nigerian kingdom. You are having this conversation. Ono is supposed to be your advisor, but somehow he makes the rules and execute them. My king, is Nollywood the king? Is it Nollywood that got married to me, your
Don't provoke me further!
Sorry, your highness. I just want to know if... Come on, get out! Out! Nonsense! Igwe, my son will come back and take over that contract and the entire affairs of this kingdom, and that is final.
Snake in the green grass. Evil people everywhere. A jungle every day. Tell me what you do to please everybody. Tell me how to behave to please everybody. Where do you know me?
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Are you normal?
I should be asking you that question. Why are you sneaking around the palace like an abnormal person? What exactly are you up to?
Listen, if not that you are second in command of the maids in this palace, I would have put you in your place. Mind your business. Do you hear me? Mind your business and stop following me around the whole place like a lost puppy.
Whatever your plans are in this palace, I'll find out if that's the last thing I'll do.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no man so nanisi they are here to destroy and kill our family. No matter what they do, because we never allow them to go free. Because we always forget this all because we always say.
Son, you better believe it. When I told you that your father gives Ono with too much privilege than he deserves, you thought I was making things up. Now, have you seen it? Have you seen it, son? Son, you need to come back and take up this contract and the entire affairs of this kingdom from your father. Because if this continues, the kingdom will sink. Okay, son. Thank you so much. All right, son. Bye. My queen, I heard your voice and and it's very obvious you are upset. So I decided to get your favorite orange juice just to calm your nerves down. Leave. I'm sorry, please. I just have a lot on my mind. I'm sorry. Let me have the juice. You have the weight of the whole kingdom on your shoulders. I'm very sure it's not an easy task at all. Thank you. I'm just doing my job. You may leave. Okay.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no money so nani they are here to destroy and kill our family.
Papa, the cricket has been forced out of its hole under the scorching sun.
What happened?
The prince is coming back to oversee the affairs of the contract and the affairs of the kingdom.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no money so nani they are here to destroy and kill our family.
Ego, did you hear the sound crash?
Wait. Adako, what did you just call me? Ego.
What's funny, Ego?
Ego, what?
Ego.
No!
Sean.
No! You should address me properly. As Her Royal Highness, Her Royal Majesty. Don't you know that once the prince returns to the village, he'll get married to me and I'll be your next queen? See, you need to be on your best behavior because of them, no? Well, I am just so happy that I came back to this village.
So what then becomes of me? I think I'll marry the prince then. Consider you as a second wife.
So you girls are arguing over a prince that is not yet back to the village. Well, I'm interested in the prince too. What? My man! Well, if you're in your best behavior, I might consider you as my right hand maid, as you'll be following me everywhere and anywhere I go to.
Or better still, banish you from this village.
Bam! Oh yeah? Wait, you see this particular one he said, I support you. Banishment! Banishment! Are you telling me, you know? Yeah. Banishment!
Mother, it's like the issue now started having issue.
Mama, don't worry, I'll get you a better one when I start working, okay?
Thank you. Mama, hey, this thing is disturbing us. And I hope it will not stress you. Give your body pain. Huh? Don't worry, Mama. I will rest. Let's just rest.
Hi.
You've tried.
Okay, to tweak or Bella. These are the issues, Mama.
This community leader, they don't want to put this work on this road.
Mama,
very bad.
Don't worry, very soon I'll earn enough money. Hey. And I'll buy you an electric chair instead.
No.
Mama.
Didn't you hear what the time crier said today in the village? Huh?
That's nice. They've been proving that. This is
My favorite.
Oh, go ahead. What is it? What is it? What? My queen! What? Guys! Guys! Guys!
I strongly believe that Chinyere knows about the Queen's sudden illness. Let me rephrase. I think she has a hand in the illness.
What are you talking about? Wait, how did you even know about that?
Have you not been seeing what is going on in the palace? First, she told the royal chef that she'll be the one serving the royal home. And she's been doing just that.
We all know Chinelo. She loves serving the royal home.
There is more to that.
My
There is more to
hand, my leg is not involved. We never had this conversation. I don't want any problems, so I beg.
Papa, I am at the hospital.
Are you alright?
Ah, yes, not me. It's the Queen. As I'm talking to you, they are conducting some tests on her. Papa, what if they find the substance that I used to poison her? They will know it's me. Honestly, Papa, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
No one will find out anything. Medicine has no business with spiritual things. Keep your mind calm and focus on our mission, which is to continue poisoning her.
Okay. Okay, Papa. I'll talk to you later.
You'll be fine, okay? I don't know what is wrong with this trip. It's going slowly.
Good day, my king. Good day, doctor. My queen, I can see your report. Oh, that was nice.
So what's the test result all about?
The test result came out negative. There's nothing wrong with her.
Oh.
Just a little bit of stress, but she'll be fine.
Oh, thank you so much.
So I'll discharge her later today. Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. Yes. If you need anything, just call me.
Alright, I will. You can do the view. Thank you. Here's what they're going to say. You'll be fine.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, my queen. I brought food for you.
I am not hungry.
You need food so that you can take your medication.
I don't want to eat. You may leave. Take the food along with you. The smell alone wants to make me vomit.
Okay. Take the food away. And to take your drugs without food.
My king, I'll be fine. Okay?
Be fine.
Mother, you look so pale. Have you been taking your medications? Mother, I don't like the way you're looking at all. I don't like it. I will drop everything I'm doing and come back to Nigeria this weekend, Mother. You don't look good at all. No, Mother, I insist. If it means flying you overseas for treatment, I will do that. You know I'm concerned about your well-being. Please, take care of yourself, okay? I'll see you soon. I love you, Mom. Alright, bye.
My queen. You look so healthy and so strong today.
My dear, I feel stronger than a rock today.
I can see that.
Yes.
But my queen, you have not been eating well. You really need to eat so that you can finish your medication and make sure the sickness does not come back again.
I will. And thank you so much for all you do.
My queen, I am just doing my job.
My dear, you are doing more than your job. And I appreciate. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, just have a sip of this. It's your favorite. Thank you.
It's alright. My favorite, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
I want you to take a gulp or two so that I'll be sure.
Do not worry. I will. It's my favorite.
Please, ma, I insist.
It's alright. See?
Alright. I'll take my leave now, ma.
You may leave. Thank you.
In this life, the person that is close to you will kill you. Makonye no madinsa nani siyezea. They are here to destroy and kill. I'm very family. No matter what they do, the gods will never allow them to go free.
What is happening? Weapon!
Answers to the Queen's strange illness is far away from the eyes, neither can the mouth speak of.
Bogus, what are you talking about?
The gods are silent.
Because I don't understand this. Why would the gods be silent at this point in time? Or do you mean that the queen will continue to be in and out of this sickness?
I am only but the mouthpiece of the gods. What the gods whispered in my ears, I speak.
So my wife should ill and die.
Am I?
Because we always investigate. It's all because we always say. It's all
Hey, son.
Father, your son is back.
What? Son?
Mother, I'm so happy to be back home.
What happened to him?
I met him this well.
Where's my mother? Where's my mother?
It's okay.
Ebuka! Hey! Ebuka!
That's my wife.
Where's my mother?
She's currently asleep right now. I checked her vital signs and I discovered her blood pressure is so high. And it's because of a high level of stress. She needs lots of rest right now if she must recover from this. And I actually prescribed some medications for her to take. I gave it to Chinelo.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I need you to brief your consultant so that they can facilitate things, as it were.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Okay, I'll take it.
It's okay.
Papa, I'll soon be going back to the palace because I have a lot of things to do. But I just want to ask you one question.
Joanne.
The prince's blindness. Do you have a hand in it?
What do you think?
Papa, I know you are very mischievous, but I want to hear it from your mouth. Papa,
Jesus answered his disciples. You said so.
What do you want me, great Okosisi, to do to Jidena, the prince?
Okosisi, I want him dead.
No!
Okosisi, kill him for me, kill him.
You can't kill him just like that. He is royalty and under the protection of the gods. Exactly the reason we could not kill the queen. That is why we have to poison her so that she can die slowly and slowly. You know this.
Then make him blind. A blind man can never be our king. He will be useless all his life.
Consider it done.
Okosisi moketegete anakpọrọ nkuru eju ọnụ ọ gị bụ ude n'akala aka na-amapụ ozu afọ asị ka agbara agbara si mana ọ ga-ebu nna gị. Hey, the great man, the great dibia.
Hey, Papa, you are too much. You are too much. How do you do it? Eh? How do you stay one step ahead of everything?
Trust your father. I am the master himself, the Machiavelli himself. You see, with his blindness now, he will not be able to see anything about the land. He won't even notice when we signed the deal we undertaken about the land. And also, let me see how you come and assume the truth.
Hey! Hey! I heard everything. So you are responsible for the prince's blindness. Hey!
How wicked can you be? Eh? Someone else's child. Someone else's only child.
One hand. If care is not taken, you look for your head and you will not see it. It must surely happen in this compound.
Papa, Biko.
What me?
Papa, she's your wife and she's my mother. You cannot kill her. Eh? Biko, don't want to even go there.
What else can you do? What else can you do if not to kill and destroy? Just like your mentor, the devil.
Wait there. Oh no, can I say what else can I do?
So many people are suffering because of you. Just like Oninechi, whom you crippled. Whom you crippled, she's suffering because of you today.
Mama, no, close your mouth.
Mama, we must have the talking.
Chinuwayo, because let them hear. Let the words hear me out. Makana leave them again her plan.
Hey, Papa, I'll talk to you later. Mama Sukwani. Mama Kopuraye.
Gaba. Look at what you're teaching your daughter. Eh? Just go and ban Musu. Go and ban Musu.
Monitoring spirit. You will continue to monitor until you die.
God forbid.
Chichi, it won't get into you.
Remove your hand from evil. Evil man!
Mom, stop crying, please. I'm not dead. I am seated right next to you.
Remember what the doctor said. He said that you needed all the rest. What you're doing now can only help induce the stress. Stop crying.
How can I rest when my only son is blind? How can my mind be at peace when the only eyes I used to see has been plucked off? Why is all this calamity befalling my household? What sin have we committed for the gods to visit my household with this kind of doom? Why?
Mom, please,
God.
you need to stop crying, okay? I know I might not be able to see it, but I can feel you. I can feel you, Mom. Please stop crying.
Son is not the same thing. It's not the same. King is not the same.
Do you know that the long-awaited prince came back blind?
How will I know? When all these abroad base involve yourself into so many things, I guess he involved himself into so hard drugs that affected his brain and his sight. How am I supposed to know? Am I surprised?
What is it?
Now buy charcoal.
No, you're not buying.
Small money, cheap well.
And so?
Kerosene don't cost though.
Passy!
This one they catch. Now no one charcoal.
They go, pass.
We no one buy. Bye. Why is she dropping on us? Eh? Is she a spy from the royal home?
That's our business.
Go now! Go! So, as I was saying,
let's rest before we climb up. We have a small hill here. Thank you very much. I cannot thank you enough. What would I have done without you? You came and rescued me, packed my things and even bring me home.
You've done well. Thank you.
Amanda.
Thank you.
You
very
don't
much.
need to thank me. Eh? Your late husband was my husband's junior brother. Which means that your late husband was also my husband. Eh? It's the least I could do.
It's not every woman, every of your mate that can help you.
Eh? You are my husband's brother's wife. Eh? And Amanda, who has gone to supply charcoal. I couldn't possibly leave you there. Considering the fact that the weather have changed and rain will soon fall. Eh? Okay.
Amanda. Hey, what? Hello? Hello. Ha! Hello, no. I'm at home now. It's your auntie, Manelo came to my rescue. She came and packed everything inside. She even wheeled me down to the house.
Oh, yeah.
No, Onwal. She tried. Okay. She said she wants to speak with you.
Oh, Ezibonwa. It's fine. It's fine. You don't need to thank me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my dear. I hope you're on your way back home. Because I want to go home to cook. Oh? Notaba. Only. Notaba.
Oh, okay to go.
Okay to go. Kaiba. Let's go inside.
Oh?
Don't worry.
Ajamadu, ibiago kwilu ọzọ. Nke mere ju onyi, ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ. Ajọ onye, ibiago kwilu ọzọ. Nke mere ju onyi, ịlụkwasakwa ọzọ. Ebere mmadụ na-emekwa gị n'obi. Alemi mmadụ na-emekwa gị n'obi. Ebere mmadụ na-emekwa gị n'obi.
My queen, you're not only a friend to me, but you're like a sister to me. I won't deceive you. You are doing yourself more harm than good doing all these things. Or do you want to cry yourself a river and drown yourself away? Your son, the prince, is not dead. And you are grieving like you lost someone.
What did you say?
Do you know you didn't hear what I'm saying? This is more serious than I thought.
So that is it. The man said that whatever made the Eke a successful day was somehow found in Ori. All over here. So, are you with us?
Father, I am blind. I am not deaf. I can hear everything. Father, I need to go out to catch some fresh air. I feel like I'm choking in here.
No. Son, you cannot do that. Consider the fact that you are my
because I'm blind, Father. Right? Father, I promise you I'll be very careful. And Ebuka will aid me out. Ebuka!
Sorry, my prince. Ebuka is not here.
Go and get me Ebuka immediately.
Yes, my prince. Sorry.
Igwe, the prince is not a little boy. He is not a tata. That he is blind does not make him any less a man. We can take decision. Allow him to go so that we proceed with our meeting.
Medicine student selling charcoal.
At least I'm doing a dignified business, aren't I? Unlike you, that goes around the village jobless. Let me ask you, Ego. What do you do? I want you to scream it out loud to the villagers. What do you do, Ego? Nothing. You go around the village gallivanting and gossiping with your friend.
Look, you still have mouths to talk. You were a disgrace to education.
Me?
Yes. If your mom knows how useless you would have become, she wouldn't have bothered training you in school. Look at you.
You girls should just leave Amanda alone. Be cool. Leave her alone.
Ada, shut up. I said you should shut up.
Shut it.
Amanda, the witch. See, Amanda, you can keep on this pretty face and be deceiving people that you're a good person. I know who you are. And I know how evil you are, Amanda the witch. Amanda the witch! Oh, Amanda, yes, Ego, I have put you in your place. People know the name of that name, Ego.
Look at her. I will not.
Amanda the witch! You want to beat us?
Anything.
Do you want to beat us, Amanda? Do you want to beat the deal of us? No, come
you cannot do anything.
You will do nothing, Amanda.
You will do
nothing. I say you will do nothing.
Ebuka, what is that noise?
Some village girls bullying and harassing Amanda.
Who is Amanda?
Amanda is the daughter of the late Ono. Her mother is crippled and she's selling charcoal at the village market. You don't have to worry about it. Let's go.
Ebuka, stop. Stop. I said stop, Ebuka.
You will do nothing, Amanda. You will do nothing, Amanda. Amanda the witch. Amanda the witch. Amanda the witch. Amanda the witch. Amanda the witch.
Nothing about that. Stop it. What is the problem?
My prince. She's a witch. She killed her father and crippled her mother. She's a bad woman.
Yes, my prince. She's evil. If you know how evil she is, you would have even called her Born the witch by now.
My prince, that's a lie. They just love bullying her.
Eh?
You love bullying her.
We love bullying her? Seriously? Don't worry, calm down. You will see what bullying really looks like now. Yes. Calm down.
Hey, stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
No, my prince, just leave.
Stop it, Ebuka! What?
You are a witch! You are a witch! You are a witch! Oh my God!
Ebuka! Ebuka! Ebuka!
My prince, I'm so sorry.
What?
Hey!
Hey! Are you out of your mind?
Witch! Evil
We said it!
Are you out of... What have you done?
Hey, stop it! Clean it up!
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop it!
What's that your name? Amanda, right?
Amanda the witch!
You will pay for this.
Yes!
You will pay for...
You will pay for that!
Ebuka,
wait!
What happened? What happened, Ebuka? You need to calm down.
My prince, thank you for saving me from those rascals. As for your clothes, it was not intentional. I'm truly sorry. Forgive me.
It's alright, I understand. Amanda.
My prince.
Can I ask you a question?
Oh, go ahead. At least I owe you that much.
Why did they say you killed your father and made your mother crippled?
The thing is, my father died mysteriously. After I'd finished my secondary school, I got a scholarship to study abroad. On the day I was to leave, my mother had an accident that made her cripple. I struggled to go to school, and now after my NYSC, this is me.
Wow. What a sad story. I am really sorry about that. But Amanda, I want to tell you something. It's not your fault, okay? And do not mind them. Everything will be alright.
Thank you, my prince.
Ebuka.
My prince.
Please take her wheelbarrow. Put it inside the boat. We need to go see her mother.
No, my prince. That will not be necessary. This is school. It's
Please, okay? Ebuka, take her wheelbarrow.
You don't talk like that to the prince, okay? He has the final say. Did you get it?
Okay, you can go inside the car and sit down, okay?
Mama? Where are you going to?
Is it not orderly? He came to told me that those useless, those bullies are beating you again, they are fighting you. I said, let me come and stop them. And I'll realize. What has come over them?
Calm down. I dealt with them already.
I hope you're okay. They don't want you, eh?
I am fine.
Where is your wheelbarrow?
It's in the prince's trunk, Mama. Yes, Mama. That's the prince. He was the one.
Take your hand. Who's this one? Huh?
Mama,
No.
how are you?
I'm fine. But I can't say same about you. Because I heard that you suddenly went blind. You suddenly went blind. An agile man like you, full of life. Why did the devil decide to visit you? I don't know what you have done for the enemies to come visiting you. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Ebuka, take me home.
My prince, why you? Why you? Why you?
Let me get
Hold on, fast.
Hey! Therefore, you are a liar. You are a liar. Iwalaka. Whoever that did this to my prince will never go unpunished. If you are late, because you know, if I stay one place, it will be shaking up and reverse me, just to be reversing me. Adam, let's be going. Let's be going. You want to fight my daughter? I want to put and to yourself on useless children. Shop.
Hold on, Odili. Hold on.
Mama, wait. Odili, you don't know how to push this thing. My daughter knows how to push it.
Odili, can you hold on?
Mama, can you wait?
I'm angry already.
You have been calm down. You talk too much just now in front of the prince. Hold on.
Sorry, push him.
Let me remove you from the break first.
Okay, ma. Push him. No one can access him.
Please, Odili, don't mind that. Just wheel her back to the shop. Yeah, wheel her back to the shop while I.
Amanda, you daughter of a witch. How dare you go to my compound and mess up my expensive clothes? Clothes that you and this your wretched mother put together will never afford and can never afford.
And how dare you insult my mother in my presence? Are you stupid or something? Don't you have a brain? You don't have an old woman's picture in your home? Don't you have a single atom of respect in your body? You know what? Mama, no. I've been condoning this nonsense, but enough is enough. It's time I teach this stupid girl a lesson. At least when I am done with her, Mama, that picture will be stuck in your brain. So whenever you see an elderly person along the road, you will respect them and you will remember this day forever. Okay?
Not today.